So this is Maslow law, and this is called human need hierarchy of human needs. So the most basic need is our physiological need. We need food, we need water, we need warmth, we need rest. This is the most basic need. And after that, we need safety needs, that is security and safety. So we want to be secure from all aspects. So this is one of the very basic need, that we feel secure, we feel safe wherever we are. Okay, and then next level of need, once your food, water, warmth, rest is taken care of, once you are feeling secure and safe, then you need belongingness and love. Then you need intimate relationship and friends and marriage, and that will go to the belongingness and love. Once that is taken care of, then you are looking for prestige, esteemed need, feeling of accomplishment. So that is the next level of need. And once that fame is taken care of, once the prestige is taken care of, once the sense of accomplishment is taken care of, then you go to the highest level of hierarchy, that is self actualization. So achieving one full potential, whatever I'm capable of doing, I should be doing. So that is the initially, whenever Sadhguru was saying that okay, you have to live your full potential, you have to live your full fledged life. He always say that कि गुलाब का फूल जो है वो आधा अधूरा लाइफ नहीं जीता, आम का पौधा या आम का फल जो है वो आधा अधूरा लाइफ नहीं जीता. All the animal except human being, all the animals, whatever nature has designed their maximum potential, they are reaching their maximum potential. But we as a human being, we always there are so many doubts on ourselves, so many questions, why to do that, why not to do that. So there are so many logics or small voices which stops us to do what we want to do. So getting the living your full potential means, then I was thinking, जब सदगुरु बोलते थे कि आप full fledged life जियो, so I was thinking कि how I can live a full fledged life. I'm not sure how I can live a full fledged life. And then someone has asked, I again see a different question. Someone has asked कि how come I will know what I am capable of doing? How come I will know what I can do? What is my full potential? How come I will know? So he said that okay, just do it. If you are able to do it, then it's your potential. If you are not able to do it, it's perfectly fine. It's okay. You are not able to do that. जो करना है वो आप करके देख लो. अगर कर पाते हो तो ठीक है, नहीं कर पाते हो कोई बात नहीं. So that way you will realize your full potential. So then I started. It's not that easy, but gradually I started doing in that perspective. Okay, let's do it. करके देखते हैं. अगर हो गया तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो this is not my potential. I have to work towards that potential. So this is the way I have changed my perspective towards working anything. कि जो जितने डाउट्स आ रहे थे कि ओके मैं करूं कि नहीं करूं, मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरे पास ये स्किल नहीं है, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मेरे पास कोई रीजन नहीं है करने का, क्या फायदा है इसका, तो कुछ भी फायदा नहीं है, इसको किसको किसको फायदा होगा. So keeping all those aside, whatever is coming in my mind, if I find it useful, good, and I really want to do it, I try to do it without any doubt whether I will be able to do it or not. I do it. And yes, that is really that I think that is the one way to reaching your full potential. This is I'm not sure whether I'm right or wrong, but I find I get a meaning out of that कि मैंने यही मतलब निकाला कि just do it. If you are able to do that, that means कि this is a part of your potential. अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो anyway you are not doing that. So if that is so important, you can work and find the skills or money or time. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वो इतना ज़्यादा करना ज़रूरी है, तो उसके लिए आप पैसे भी मैनेज कर लोगे, टाइम भी मैनेज कर लोगे, एनर्जी भी मैनेज कर लोगे, सब कुछ मैनेज कर लोगे एंड देन कर लोगे. So is this hierarchy is clear to all of you? Is this hierarchy is a little bit meaningful, useful, uh, good thing to start our day with? How many of you are finding it useful? Just write useful. Yes, Sonal is saying useful. useful. Nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nice. Thank you so much, Amit, Sakshi, Sonal, Rakesh, Neetu Sarma. Thank you so much. So, example of each need is daily wages people. That they are looking for food, water, warmth. Just employed people settle comfortable job and houses, got own home and car and social status. Mother Teresa and Mahatma Gandhi can be on the level of self-actualization. Okay, so the next question is what you are trying to provide through your product and services to the people. आप किस जरूरत को पूरी कर रहे हैं? एक चीज तो we have already decided, we have already cleared it out कि money is the byproduct of our service or product. Money is the byproduct of our services and product we will provide to the society. जो कुछ भी हम देंगे उसके रिजल्ट के तौर पे money is the parameter, money is the scorecard of how much value we are providing to the society. हमने आसपास अपने कितने ज्यादा लोगों को और कितना ज्यादा वैल्यू एडिशंस दे रहे हैं, कितनी ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी कर रहे हैं. मनी इज द स्कोर कार्ड ऑफ दैट, right? Money is nothing but a byproduct of, let's suppose I am giving this training and I just wanted to share. Last Saturday I have done a webinar and I think I have invited all of you to attend that webinar for creating your own website. And there I have said, okay, I will handhold you to create your website. And in one webinar, in an hour or in एक घंटे के अंदर 27 people have participated in that, and approx 11 people have paid me that they want my help. They want to go with me to create their own website. So this is the byproduct. I'm helping them to create their own website, and they are ready to pay to me. So this is the one of the example ki I'm providing something and someone is giving money back to me. Now it's up to me what kind of value I can provide so that I can provide more value and they are ready to pay more money for that. Is this yes or no? Is this clear? Money is the byproduct of the services we provide to our client. Money is a byproduct. Yes or no? Or services or product or informations or ideas or any way we are helping our other people to fulfill their wishes, dream, and in return we are getting money. Yes. So your product, which in which category your product is fulfilling the need? आपके client के किस state के need को आपका product पूरा करता है? Now you have to, if you are selling sari, so sari, selling a sari will come under which category, which need? Is it a psychological need? Is it a safety need? Is it a belongingness need? Is it a esteem need? It is a self actualization need. तो आपका प्रोडक्ट, आपके सर्विसेज, आपका ब्लॉग, आपकी वेबसाइट, आपकी कंपनी, आपके इंफॉर्मेशंस, आपके आइडियाज आपके क्लाइंट के किस नीड को पूरा करते हैं? दैट यू कैन टेल मी. Or you can just write your product name or services name. I will try to associate कि वो किस need को पूरा करते हैं. Or if you want to make real money, what angle you have to give to your product and services so that you can make you can multiply that income. You can just share your product service name or whatever idea you are thinking of. Okay, I'm going to provide yoga services, or I'm going to provide mindfulness, or I want to provide meditations, or I want to provide export import of a sari or computers or courses or anything. What is your product and services? Either you can just share about your product and services, or you can share your product which need your product is fulfilling. आपका प्रोडक्ट किस नीड को फुलफिल कर रहा है? ह्यूमन नीड हायरार्की में किस नीड को फुलफिल कर रहा है? माइन इज सेफ्टी नीड. व्हाट इज योर प्रोडक्ट? व्हाट इज योर प्रोडक्ट, राज? All of you come. Cyber security and organic food delivery. Cyber security and organic food delivery. Yes. Safety need. That's fantastic. Neetu, education with regularity and monitoring. Education with regularity and monitoring. So which need, what do you feel, which need is it is fulfilling? I will share my thoughts as well. Helping people as per the need, if possible I help. What kind of product and services you are helping with? So Chana is saying e-commerce, automotive parts. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm going to have a glass of water. Just keep them coming. Keep writing that what is your product and services. At least write your product and services or information or idea or website or a company. आपकी वेबसाइट, प्रोडक्ट, सर्विसेज, आइडिया या फ्यूचर में भी जो आप प्लान कर रहे हैं कि जिसको जिसको ऑफर करके आप बदले में यू कैन आस्क फॉर द मनी, यू कैन राइट दैट प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज हियर. आई एम जस्ट कमिंग बैक आफ्टर अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. Yes. Meenakshi ma'am, ready to use food product. Kisan, mindfulness and meditation, peace of mind. Rakesh sir, brain science, memory technique for everyone. Neetu Sharma, student of 9th and 10th standard. Okay, that's why you have said education with regularity and monitoring. Sonal, helping people as per he need. If possible, I help. Mine is safety need. Okay. Welfareness. Welfareness. Is it welfare you mean to say that, Sonal? Welfare? You are providing your product services is something related to welfare? Okay, so Seema is saying digital entrepreneur, coaching, Instagram for women helping to achieve financial freedom. What? So in which category it will go? Esteemed diet and nutrition. Esteemed diet and nutrition. Okay, nice. Thank you. Thank you so much for all these answers. Sivani is saying health, wellness, diet, and nutrition. Okay, fantastic. So here I'm giving you one perspective that personally we may be on. It doesn't matter. We may be on which hierarchy. That is the one thing. For example, I want to do I want to fulfill all this requirement so that I can spend more time on spirituality. I can get I can fulfill all this need so that I can spend more time on the spirituality, right? But when when it's a time to paying someone for the spirituality, when it's time to paying someone for mindfulness or like meditations, the number of client is very less. Yes or no? The higher you go, the number of client or the number of people ready to pay for that is less, right? So in your personal life, you might be going towards the self actualization, or you are striving for the self actualization, or you want to go towards that. But when you are fulfilling others need, the volume of the client or people are ready to pay you, majority of the people are ready to pay you gladly if you are fulfilling their physiological need of food, water, warmth and rest, and if you are fulfilling their safety needs of security and safety. इफ यू आर फुलफिलिंग दीज टू बेसिक नीड, जो लास्ट के दो नीड हैं, उनको आप फुलफिल कर रहे हैं, सो देयर इज अ वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्लाइंट एंड दे आर रेडी टू पे. Yes or no? Yes, this is yes sir. Yes, definitely. As you go, just like relationship or like कितने लोग हैं जो घर में डेली might be डेली घर में टेंशन होता है, but they will not go and pay to the counselor to sort it out. in India especially? Are we हर घर में like इंडिया में जितने physical abuse और हर घर में इतने tensions होते हैं, but we don't feel the need of paying someone to sort these things. So this is the Shivani, can you see my screen? I have shared in the screen. All of you can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So this is the pyramid I am discussing right now. So you have to give an angle to your product that you are fulfilling the basic need. And now this basic need is majority of this basic need. I would say 100% of this basic need will be fulfilled by what? या आपकी basic need 100% of the basic need को किस चीज से पूरा किया जा सकता है? What is the one thing which can fulfill your basic need? That is food, safety, warmth, rest, security, safety. ये सारी चीजें government and society. No, we are talking about individual. I personally feel कि अगर हमारे पास sufficient पैसा हो, then we can fulfill this food, water, warmth, rest, security, and safety. This basic need can be fulfilled with the money. Yes or no? Yes. So even let's suppose going on the public transport or traveling with the public transport, I'm not feeling safe. So if I have money, I can go and buy a car for myself. Yes or no? So here, car is my basic need. If a car can be a feeling of accomplishment, but car can be for me. Car is a safety thing. I don't want to go to the Corona period and travel on the public transport, or even in the earlier time. Car is never a kind of accomplished. Car was the need, safety need. I want to feel secure. I want to feel safe. Right. पर अभी मैस्लो थ्योरी भी चेंज हो सकते हैं. Yes, definitely change हो सकते हैं. But what my intention to share this is you have to give an angle to your product and services, if possible, that you are fulfilling the basic need. You are fulfilling this basic need. And basic need is one of the basic need is money. Money can take care of all these basic needs. So if you are giving angle to the money, I am going to help you to create your own personal brand website, and you can increase your number of clients by 5 times, or you can increase your revenue by 10 times. So can you see that कि वेबसाइट बना करके आप इंटरनेट पे ज्यादा विजिबल होंगे तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्लाइंट आपको अप्रोच करेंगे, ज्यादा क्लाइंट अप्रोच करेंगे तो ज्यादा सर्विसेज आप दोगे, ज्यादा सर्विसेज दोगे तो ज्यादा पैसे बनाओगे तो यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी, फूड, वाटर, वार्मथ एंड ग्रीन. Can you see that? Can I give this angle to my website creation product? Right? So in the same way you have to क्योंकि लाइफस्टाइल भी चेंज हो रहा है एंड एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी चेंज हो रही है. डेफिनेटली yes चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. Whatever you have to offer, I personally feel it will be very easy for people to pay you if you can make them sure that they can earn money by like making money zone, making money niche, making money जो part है वो people are ready to pay for that. So whether you are helping, let's suppose one other example, I'm taking the example of number customer will come down as you go. Health and wellness and diet and nutrition. How you can give the angle of earning more. If it is not, then so you can find the way in somehow. If you can find the way, otherwise you have now as a lifestyle is changing, more and more people are ready to pay for the health and wellness or diet and nutrition or weight loss. That is also one of the way, that is the next level of client. But if somehow you find the angle that your product and services can help other people to make more money, and that money will take care of their safety needs, that is the super duper way to really add value to the people and make a lot of money in the process. This is what I have shared my experience. So let's suppose digital entrepreneur coaching for the women helping achieve financial freedom. Again, financial freedom. So this is a very good, very fantastic. Instagram, Seema is teaching Instagram marketing or Instagram viability or digital entrepreneurship. But the end goal, how she want to help women to achieve the financial freedom, right? Because women also feel that if we have money, we can take care of the safety and physiological need. So yes, you have already that angle. Lead generation to capture the leads. Lead generation to capture the lead for what? ज़्यादा lead generate करेंगे, ज़्यादा clients आएंगे, ज़्यादा पैसे आएंगे. So you can say that okay, I can help you to generate qualified lead and increase your revenue by increase your revenue by 50%, or increase double your revenue by doubling your lead generation. So you can give that angle to your product and services. Ready to use food products. Again, you have to find that if it is it possible, because food cooking or like health and wellness, I'm not sure how directly you can add, how you can directly give the angle of money making. But it is that next level. Yes, there are plenty of people who is ready to pay for that. But somehow if you can, for example, for mindfulness, meditation and peace, until you are not a sadguru or kind of people are not ready to pay, not that much ready to pay you for mindfulness meditation and peace. Yes or no? Yes, I have paid sadguru to attend the meditation program. Right. So it may be little bit tough to find the client and convince them to pay you huge amount of money. Right. Education, again, 9th 10th education in this niche, decision maker is the parent. 9th or 10th में आप जो help करेंगे वो the decision maker is the parent. So ये little bit dicey है कि you have to approach the parents, and how you are convincing the parent to okay, this is the safety need that you are making sure their child is going to score 90% or something. That way you have to convince the parent. Cyber security and organic food delivery app. So yes, this is a kind of if it is an app, if you are providing cyber security and food delivery app, so this app can save money for so many businesses. आई थिंक यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग कि आपका ऐप को यूज करके बिजनेसेस फूड डिलीवरी कर सकते हैं. तो इफ यू आर शोइंग देम कि ओके हाउ दे कैन सेव द कॉस्ट and how they can make the money, or how they can increase the customer satisfaction, or how they can deliver the fast and they can save time, and ultimately measure everything in terms of money. Result, if result can be measured in terms of money, that is the fantastic niche to be in these days. I'm not about past, I don't know about past, I don't know about the future, but आज की डेट में अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज मनी की रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरी करता है, दैट इज द सुपर डुपर निच. सो यू आर हेल्पिंग समवन टू फाइंड अ जॉब, if you are helping someone to start a business, if you are helping someone to get promotion in the job, if you are helping someone to get increment, double increment in the job, or if you are helping someone to get more clients on in some way, more leads, more client customers, even you are providing the customer satisfaction or customer care services. So how this is converting in terms of monetary, इतने customer satisfaction से इतने repeat कस्टमर आया और उसे इतना पैसा आपने बनाया. So this is one see, this is my perspective. You can use it or you can throw it away, but if somehow possible you can add the angle of money making with your niche, that will really help you, right? So fair enough. This is clear. Right. So how many of you, for बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए ये like it's a news or it's a first time you are listing this perspective of Maslow law? कितने लोगों को ये पहली बार इस एंगल से Maslow law को देखा है? First time. Sonali saying first time. Yes. So nice. Thank you. Thank you. So let's suppose today I'm going to discuss about the LinkedIn. And if you are providing LinkedIn marketing, Nitu is also saying first time. Thank you. Thank you, Nitu. So let's suppose today I'm going to discuss about the LinkedIn marketing, right? LinkedIn marketing, if you are providing LinkedIn marketing, you have to attach the perspective ki, okay, LinkedIn marketing karke how you can increase your business, how you can grow your number of clients, how you can grow number of revenues, how you can grow किसी भी टर्म्स में जो डायरेक्टली मनी से रिलेटेड हो, that you can attach with your LinkedIn marketing. Okay, and if you want to know more about the Maslow hierarchy of need, you can go to the Google, go to the YouTube, spend some time on Maslow hierarchy of need. But this kind of outlook you will not find. This is a simple. They will explain the hierarchy. कि आप किस stage में हैं. We are working towards these self-actualizations. But in terms of digital marketing or in terms of business, in terms of product and services, I have not. You will not find much content on the internet, but this is one of the perspective. So here we are starting with the LinkedIn. Are we ready for the LinkedIn? Could you please share again? I will share the recording. You can see the recording, right? जिनका भी छूट गया है वो recording मैं share करूंगी, एक बार recording देख लेंगे. बट यार मैस्लो लॉ का मतलब है कि आप ह्यूमन की एक नीड है, वो सबसे पहले आपका भोजन वस्त्र आवास, यू हैव टू फुलफिल योर भोजन वस्त्र आवास, एंड देन रेस्ट, एंड देन सेफ्टी, एंड देन love and belongingness, then you have to fame, name, achievement, accomplishments, and then like mindfulness or living the full potential. So you can see whatever product and services you are selling, if you are fulfilling the basic need, people are more ready to pay for the basic need rather than paying for the higher need. So if you are selling the higher need, your client will be different. Your client, you cannot sell higher need to everyone. आप माइंडफुलनेस, सबको जिसकी बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी नहीं है उसको आप माइंडफुलनेस नहीं सिखा सकते. जिनका भोजन बस, जिनको अगले महीने या जिनकी जॉब चली गई है और उनको टेंशन है कि वो फैमिली कैसे मैनेज करेंगे, उनको हम माइंडफुलनेस और पीस ऑफ माइंड नहीं सिखा सकते. राइट, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट कि उनकी हाउ दे कैन अर्न एनफ मनी so that they can move to the next level. So if you are helping someone to earn more money, that is thing, I think genuinely, if you are genuinely helping someone to earn more money, मेरे लिए सबसे पुण्य का काम है आज के डेट में. किसी भी तरीके से आप किसी को हेल्प कर रहे हैं कि वो ज्यादा पैसे बना पाए जेन्युइन तरीके से, मीन्स holistically, it's not without compromising on health, without compromising on relationship, without compromising on other aspect of life. You are helping someone to make money. This is the most पायस थिंग, सबसे अच्छा, सबसे पुण्य का काम है. सबसे ज्यादा एंजाइटी, सबसे ज्यादा अनसिक्योरिटी लोगों के पास इसीलिए है कि उनको लगता है कि हमारे पास पैसे कम हैं और पैसे खत्म हो जाएंगे तो उनकी लाइफ बर्बाद हो जाएगी, उनका कोई इज्जत नहीं है, उनके पेरेंट्स उनको रेस्पेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, उनकी फैमिली उनको रेस्पेक्ट नहीं करेगी, उनके बच्चे उनको रेस्पेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. सो सबसे बेसिक नीड जो है आज के डेट में, आई वुड से पैसा. बट अगेन, पैसा without compromising the other aspect of the life. We have seen people who have huge amount of money, but they don't have a good family life, they don't have good health, they are always in tension or they are always frustrated. No, not that kind of money. Money with every other thing. Had a mindset of all, have a mindset of all. I deserve all. Just write, all of you, just write, I deserve all. I deserve everything. I deserve health, I deserve wealth, I deserve money, I deserve love, I deserve care, I deserve everything. Right? not at the cost of one. ऐसा नहीं है कि पैसे कमाएंगे तो मेरी फैमिली छूट जाएगी, फैमिली अगर because so many people have that, I have that mindset कि I will go to the office and then my son will be neglected, मेरा घर मेरा मेरा बच्चा neglect हो जाएगा. And then I have changed that mindset. No, I need more, both. I need both. I need my family in place. I need to take care of my son, and at the same time I have to be professionally active. So have that mindset. Always keep that mindset. You deserve all. You deserve everything, the every best thing of this universe. Right. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So have this. कभी आप ये मत बोलो कि नहीं ये मिलेगा तो ये नहीं, कुछ ये कहते हैं ना, कुछ तो पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. नहीं, कुछ नहीं खोने की जरूरत है. You need a strategy, you need training, you need planning, you need focus, you need determination, you need that path is not easy, but there is a way to have all. There is a way to have all. राइट. आपको थोड़ी ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत है, आपको थोड़ी मेंटोरिंग की जरूरत है, फोकस की जरूरत है, डिटर्मिनेशन की जरूरत है, बट सब कुछ आपके साथ हो सकता है. राइट. As a relation of the Maslow law with digital marketing, one is digital presence, page, website, SEO, famous, money. Yes, money. Okay, having said that, nice, thank you. I wish I really have take a 30-second time and I pray for all of you and for including me, that we deserve all and that universe should give us every single thing we deserve. We deserve all. The best thing of this universe, we deserve all. Best of the health, best of the relationship, best of the money. Okay, so now next move to the LinkedIn. How many of you are active on LinkedIn? कितने लोग LinkedIn पे active है? Just write active. Seema is active. Very nice. Sonam is active. Come on. Raj is not active. Okay, fair enough. HP sir active है. भगवान सबका भला करे पर. Okay, we deserve and fulfill all dreams. Active, sometime not active. Okay, so LinkedIn is the largest professional networking website. LinkedIn is the largest professional networking website. If you are seeing yourself as a professional, अगर आपको लगता है कि आप professional हो, then you should go and create your profile on the LinkedIn. If you feel your target audience is professional, अगर आपको लगता है कि जिसको आपको reach out करना है, those are the people who are active on the LinkedIn or who are the professional. Also make sure you have a profile on the LinkedIn, right? So it is the largest social network, largest professional networking website. And on LinkedIn, India is the second largest population. Indians are the second largest population on the LinkedIn. Right. So right now I'm going to stop seeing the chat window. I'm going to explain LinkedIn. It's right now it's 11:47. So till 9:15. Till 9:15, I will not see the chat window. I will only explain what I'm supposed to discuss. And in 9:15, I will look into your chat or your questions. Is that fine? Done. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. So LinkedIn पे account कैसे बनाते हैं? You all know it's very easy. You can go to the LinkedIn, create the account. I always say that create, attract, monetize. Create, attract, monetize. So when you are creating a LinkedIn profile, that is part of, again, creation. So your creation should be up to mark. Your creation should be up to date. It should be on 10 on 10. So when I'm saying creation should be 10 on 10, means आपकी profile complete होनी चाहिए. You should have a complete 100% complete profile. 100% complete profile का मतलब है कि आपके cover images होने चाहिए, आपके thumbnail images होने चाहिए, and here you can see this first name, last name, and then you can have a headline, and then you can have educations. So this is the basic basic need you can fulfill, basic information you can fulfill, and never ever use the dummy images. Always use the real life images, right? So whatever you are doing in your professional front, whatever you are doing in your professional front, that can be included in your LinkedIn profile. So you have done any certifications, go and include that. If you have done any course, go and include that. If you have participated in any event, go and include that. If you have completed any degree, go and include that. If you have done any achievement like 100 clients, go and include that. If you have opened any office or any business or any vertical of the business, go and announce on the LinkedIn, right? So that way, gradually, your experience will appear on LinkedIn. If you are volunteering, go and include that. If you are in anywhere like associated with any organizations, that you can also include, right? So here you can also, while completing your profile, you can talk about your skills. आपके पास जो skills हैं, वो आप skills share कर सकते हैं. You can ask for the recommendations. You can ask for the recommendations. And whatever you are adding skills, LinkedIn पे आप जो भी skills add कर रहे हैं, you can take a quiz or on that skills as well. आप यहाँ पे बहुत सारे skills पे ले भी सकते हैं. For example, let me see what 2 batches I have. Google Analytics and SEO का मैंने कभी एग्जाम दिया होगा. So you can go and take the exam to have that certificate from the LinkedIn itself. आपके पास जो भी skills आप LinkedIn पे show कर रहे हैं, आप उसका exam देके उसका certificate LinkedIn से भी ले सकते हैं. That is free of cost. So you can ask for recommendations. You can ask for recommendation. That is the social proof. That is the testimonial. So don't hesitate. Ask for the recommendation. I also request all of you. You can also share your thought about me on the LinkedIn. अगर आपको लगता है कुछ भी value added हुआ है, whatever is your experience with me, you can go and write your experience on the LinkedIn. I will look forward. Thank you so much. So here you can add the test scores and languages and project or courses. So your interest. So all these things you can do. So today, apart from this profile completion, today I'm giving you one hack for the lead generation. Do you want that hack for the lead generation? Lead generation hack. And that you can apply on any popular platform. Popular platform. So what you will do after completing the profile, there is an option called write article, right? And publish as, let's suppose I want to publish as Bhavna Bharadwaj. So this is here you are writing article, and how you can write an article. For example, you can go to the Hub Pages. Have you listened about Hub Pages? Hub Pages, no, sorry. BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is the platform where you can see the most popular article on social media on any particular topic. So let's suppose I am talking about digital marketing, or I'm talking about personal branding website. So here I'm talking about personal brand website, or I can talk about digital marketing or LinkedIn marketing or lead generation or whatever. You can just whatever your product and services, you can write here and you can click on find content. And you can see that these are the popular website, popular content on the social media. These are the popular content on the social media. Now teach online with your own personalized app and website. Convert your institute into a brand, right? A personal branding for the coaches, 5 reasons to rebrand now. Website for the coaches. So this is, I have given a little bit specific. I'm just talking about personal website. So here you can write about your own topic. Trump launches new personal website. Supreme Court rules on the Hillary Clinton. Trump launches new personal website. So it's about Trump. Let's talk about the WordPress website. Okay, so right now I'm teaching people to create their personal brand website using WordPress, and I want to write article on WordPress website. So what I will do, I will open this website, and you can do it the same thing for your business. आप यही काम अपने business के लिए कर सकते हैं. For example, anyone can search here for small business growth or lead generation. Let's suppose you are saying lead generation. And you can find the most popular social media content on this topic. So business coaches cracking the lead generation code, or Google chat course towards the more privacy first. और we can find something जहाँ पे वो कुछ result भी show कर रहे हो, lead generation to achieve like 100,000 leads in 5 days, or some कुछ concrete numbers हो, that is also very good. वो भी content बहुत अच्छा होता है. So lead generation, here I'm talking about the website. So the most popular way to create WordPress website. Here I can start. Most popular way to start your personal brand WordPress website. So I have quick a little bit. Most popular way to start, title case. Whenever you are writing in the title, it should be in a title case. Most popular way to start your personal brand website using WordPress. Most popular way to start your personal brand website using WordPress. Right? I can have a picture. I can Unsplash से कोई picture download करेंगे, and then we can upload it here. So I will show you. And then here I will write about some unique intro. So while researching on while researching on personal brand usage and how, while researching on personal brand website, I came across this most popular way to create I came across this, or I stumble upon UMBLE, stumble upon this most popular way to create a WordPress website. So what I will do, the most popular way to create a WordPress website, I will give credit to the creator. यहाँ पर, because I'm going to copy someone else's content, so I will give credit to the creator. So who has created this article? This website has created this article. So I'm Elementor. I will give credit to the Elementor. So I will select the text and I will add the So here you can select the text and give the link. Give the link and you are giving that link. So you are giving this link. You are giving credit to this link website on while researching on this. We can give simply the link. If it is not taking this, here we can give the link this way as well. So right now I'm removing this one. So I have removed that link, and here I have given, I stumble upon this most popular way to create WordPress website using Elementor. You can visit, you may you may visit or something. You can just give the link to that. Whenever you are copying someone else's content, if you are giving credit to that content, they are happy, because whenever you are giving a backlink, that is a SEO factor, that they are going to get better SEO ranking. So जब भी आप किसी के कंटेंट को कॉपी कर रहे हैं और उसको बैकलिंक्स दे रहे हैं, उसको क्रेडिट दे रहे हैं, यू आर नॉट टेकिंग द क्रेडिट ऑफ योर ओन. एक चीज का आप हमेशा ध्यान रखेंगे, whenever you are using someone else text content or image content or like video or anything, you are, someone else has created it and you are using it, give credit to the creator. That is the thumb rule on the internet. So you will be in the safer place. You are giving credit to the creator. So I have given the credit to the creator, and then what I will do, then I will copy the content. So how I will copy the content? Okay. An intuitive WordPress creation platform. So we are talking about Elementor. Elementor is an intuitive WordPress website creation platform. Your starter theme. So you may not copy entire thing, but you will just copy the heading and little bit of summary. So here, design theme for professional. So why I'm copying this? Because this content is already popular on the social media. इस कंटेंट के क्वालिटी में कोई डाउट नहीं है. इस कंटेंट का क्वालिटी ऑलरेडी प्रूवन है, बिकॉज दिस मच ऑफ सोशल मीडिया शेयर. वी हैव सीन दैट कि बस में उसको ऑलरेडी कितना शेयर मिल चुका है. वी हैव सीन दैट कि वर्डप्रेस वेबसाइट डालने पे वी हैव सीन लॉट मेनी शेयर्स. तो ये फेसबुक पे इतने नंबर ऑफ शेयर, दैट इज द प्रूफ कि पीपल आर लाइकिंग दिस कंटेंट. तो वन थिंग इज यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग द क्वालिटी कंटेंट. आप अपने यूजर को क्वालिटी एंड फुल प्रूफ क्वालिटी कंटेंट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. So here you can crystallize the control over the element. तो क्वालिटी में जो डाउट नहीं है, और क्रेडिट आपने दे दिया है. क्रेडिट आपने दे दिया है. So after writing this content, you can write it better. आप हर पैराग्राफ के पहले या बाद में you can add a unique content from your side as well. हर पैराग्राफ के बाद आगे पीछे, because this is your topic, you can add value to this. So वहाँ पे आप चाहें तो अपना एक यूनिक टच भी दे सकते हैं. But right now I'm just copying pasting. And after that, after giving all this information, you may not to copy the entire thing, but if you feel that it's required to copy all the things, you can copy. So after doing that, you can say that after copying whatever you want to copy, that content should be readable and that content should be making sense to your user. You have to make sure that you are providing only proven quality content that should be the value addition for your user. And after giving this, here you can just write that, okay, I am organizing, I'm inviting you to my free free webinar to create your, how you can create your website in 3 days. Webinar in which I will share my top hacks to create your personal brand website in less than 7 days. All right. So here now I am giving, I am inviting them to my webinar. I'm doing lead generation for my webinar. Right. I'm inviting you to my free WordPress webinar, free website creation webinar, free website creation webinar in which I will share top hacks to create your personal brand website in less than 7 days. Right. So here, book your seat now. Book your seat now. And here you can give the link of your registration page link. जो वेबिनार का रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज है, here you can give the link of your webinar registration page. अब वो आपने क्लिक फनल में वेबिनार का रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज बनाया हुआ है, अपनी वेबसाइट पे वेबिनार का रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज बनाया हुआ है, अपने लाइक ईमेल मार्केटिंग टूल यूज करके जो हो और कन्वर्ट किट वहां पे रजिस्ट्रेशन का पेज बनाया हुआ है. Wherever you have created the webinar registration page, you can just copy that link and paste it here, right? So what we are making sure, one thing we are making sure that we are using LinkedIn. तो LinkedIn में जो आर्टिकल का सेक्शन, हैव यू एवर नोटिस दैट कि आप गूगल में कुछ सर्च करते हो, बहुत बार LinkedIn का आर्टिकल रिजल्ट में आता है. यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस दैट कि LinkedIn के आर्टिकल्स गूगल रिजल्ट में बहुत फास्ट आते हैं. सो दैट वे योर इस आर्टिकल की विजिबिलिटी गूगल पे बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी, पहली चीज. दूसरी चीज, LinkedIn में if I will show you my network, I have, I think I'm not sure कितने हैं मेरे नेटवर्क में, I think more than 20,000 तो थे, more than 20,000 people are in my network. And my exposure, ये जो content है 20,000 लोगों को, I am the person who has given this information to 20,000 people in my network. It's not 30,000, approx 29,000. In my connection, there are 29,000 people are there. So I'm making these 29,000 people aware about the existence of that they can create website without coding. They can create the personal website without coding, right? So your content will be visible to these 29,000 people, not all the 29,000, but yes, you will build your rapport with that. Second thing, you are providing the quality content. You are providing only and only proven quality content. So this is a value addition to your client. Third thing, you are giving credit to the creator. You are giving credit to the creator. जिसने भी content create किया है उसको आप credit दे रहे हैं. तो जो content creator है उसको कोई doubt, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. If you are giving a backlink to them, so their SEO ranking will improve. So it's a give and take. And at the end, you are giving your call to action. You are giving your call to action. Your call to action can be anything. Your call to action can be कि मेरे website को visit कर लो, or let's suppose I'm giving, you can make you can make that angle कि personal brand website, how to create a personal brand website which can help you to generate double revenue. I am sure हमारे ग्रुप में मीनाक्षी मैम होंगी. She has shared with me yesterday कि पिछले कोरोना में she has started creating website with me, and now this website is giving her client, like उनको साड़ी के order हैं और साड़ी के order अब उस website से आ रहे हैं. So I can make it as a case study कि okay, website create करके how you can generate lead or generate business for yourself. Someone was asking कि Seema is working with me and Seema is creating her website and she will receive one client from that website. So definitely that is a case study कि एक personal website बना करके she has received the client and how much money she has made from the client she has received from her website, right? So I can give that angle as well, how you can create a personal brand website to earn to double your income or to increase the number of client or to increase the revenue. So that angle I can also give. So here you are giving them call to action. Call to action, either your that call to action will be what? Your lead magnet. Call to action will be your lead magnet. Lead magnet means which is you are providing free of cost, no risk. No risk instant value offer is lead magnet. No risk instant value offer. No risk means आप free webinar है, कोई आपका पैसा नहीं लगेगा. And instant value means आप उस webinar में आओ, I will show you the path कि आप 7 days के अंदर अंदर अपनी personal brand website कैसे launch कर सकते हो. So that is your no risk lead magnet. So lead magnet को capture करने के लिए आपके पास क्या mechanism है? Now you need a system. Now you need a tools to capture those lead magnet. अब वो lead magnet आप कहाँ से capture कर सकते हैं? अपनी website पे registration page बना लें. That is one way. Click funnel में जाकर के funnel setup करके registration page बना लें. Another way. You can have like जो email marketing आप use करते हैं, they give you the option to create a landing page. You can create a landing page there and use it here. So जितने भी emails collect होंगे वो आपके email marketing system में collect होंगे. अगर क्लिक फनल से कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो क्लिक फनल को फिर अपने ईमेल मार्केटिंग से लिंक करना पड़ेगा. अगर वेबसाइट से कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो फिर अपनी वेबसाइट को ईमेल मार्केटिंग से लिंक करना पड़ेगा. So that way you can start generating lead from day one on the LinkedIn. That way you can start generating lead from LinkedIn from day one. Is this useful for you? Is this useful for you? Okay, that you can do on any platform. That you can do on any platform. I'm not talking about the LinkedIn. यही काम आप WordPress पे फ्री वेबसाइट में कर सकते हैं. यही काम आप Tumblr में ब्लॉगिंग सेटअप करके कर सकते हैं. You can do the same work on Medium, Hub Pages, Scudo Lenses. जितने content publishing platform हैं, wherever you can publish the content as an author, you can start publishing your content in that way. Right now, I have the same thing you can do with the Facebook. If Facebook is giving us places where we can publish the article or we can publish the note, go and do the same thing. Second step, what you can do, once you will publish, you can get a link. You get a final link. जब आप इसको पूरा publish कर देंगे, then you will get a final link. Copy this link. Go and join the top 20 group of the LinkedIn. So for example, on LinkedIn, this part is clear. Article publishing part is clear to all of you. Can I go and, because I have said creation 1, promotion endless. Creation once, promotion endless. तो promotion आप कहीं पे LinkedIn पे 20 ग्रुप ज्वाइन करके वहां प्रमोट कर दें, Facebook पे 20 ग्रुप ज्वाइन करके वहां प्रमोट कर दे, अपने सारे Facebook मैसेंजर में सेंड कर दे. You can send it to your WhatsApp के सारे लोगों को सेंड कर सकते हैं, SMS में सेंड कर सकते हैं, मेल में सेंड कर सकते हैं. लाइक जहां कहीं पे भी आपके टारगेट ऑडियंस हैं वहां पे इसको शेयर कर सकते हैं. So the easiest one, you can share, at least start with 20 LinkedIn group and 20 Facebook group. Go and join 20 relevant LinkedIn group, go and join 20 relevant Facebook group and share this article in those groups. And same thing you can do in the previous session I have discussed. You can go live copy the live video URL and share it in 20 LinkedIn group, 20 Facebook group. Write article on Facebook, share that link in 20 LinkedIn group and 20 Facebook group. Do have a selfie kind of storification and share this in 20 LinkedIn group and 20 Facebook group. Right now, I'm giving the example of LinkedIn and Facebook, but in your industry, in wherever your client is active, जहां कहीं भी आपके client बहुत active है, वहां जाकर के you can share this link with your client. But one thing, make sure from wherever you are copying, you are giving credit to that creator. And second thing, you must have call to action to capture the lead. You must have call to action, capture the lead. Third thing, make sure you are adding the value, quality content, proven content, no garbage, right? So this is from LinkedIn. Apart from that,
ma'am, for this article, where we can find the link, ma'am, at the top?
Once you will publish it. Right now, I haven't published
if
yet.
I want to post the article on Facebook, the link. Yeah, so the link, how can we create the?
Once you will add once you can click on publish the option, this is the publish. See, if you want to add, see, here there is an option. You can just do that publishing normal, bold, italic, underline, bulleted format, numbers, quotations, link. ये सारे के सारे वर्ड में जैसे एडिटिंग करते हैं वैसे एडिटिंग है. So you can edit this entire content. Right now I haven't done that. You can say that I want to make it better, and then once I am happy, here you can download the Unsplash images and upload it. अगर आपके पास कोई image already है तो you can upload the images, and once it is done, once you are happy, then you will click on publish. I should not be publishing it right now. So here I can publish it and get the link of when I will publish it, I will get a link of this article. जब आप publish करेंगे तो वहाँ पे एक link आएगा. उस link को copy करेंगे and you have to publish that link all over the places. But one more time, when you are publishing it, I should not go and publish it. I will write a context. Okay. So see how easy it is to create a personal brand website without coding, or create a personal brand website using Elementor, or a personal brand website to increase your revenue, or personal brand website to increase the lead generation, or personal brand website to double your income. So I will give a context and then I will give a link of that article.
And we can also add hashtag like
yes,
keywords,
yes, right? Definitely. You can add all be relevant hashtags, at least 3 to 5 hashtags you can write. Personal brand website, WordPress website, Elementor, जो भी आपके popular hashtag है उस content के according you can use the hashtag. Right? How many of you feel you can do that? How many of you feel you can do it? Okay, so where is the option to create article? In LinkedIn, you have the option to, I'm not publishing it right now, so I'm just discarding it. Whenever you go to your home, you will go to your home. And now I'm taking the questions. LinkedIn में बहुत कुछ करने के लिए है, but I'm just, right now I'm moving to the questions. So here you have the option to write article. Can you see the option of write article, Sonal? You will go to the LinkedIn, you will go to home, and here you can add photos or write posts or add videos or add events or write article. So you can just click on the write article and you can go with the flow. So you are writing article because during the training this much of LinkedIn pages I have created already. I have already created this much of LinkedIn pages. So whether you are publishing this article as a company or a LinkedIn company page or as an individual, so you can choose it. Request create business page. Not required. It's not required. Business page is not compulsory. To publish the article, you don't require a business page. If you want to create a business page, here you can go and create the business page. So here you can see the my, and can you see that जो भी business page अगर आपके पास हैं तो वो सारे यहाँ पे दिखते हैं. You can see all these are the businesses page which I have created during the training session. All these are not very professionally managed business pages. All these pages I have created to show my participants how they can create the how they can create the business page. If you want to see your profile, you can go and view your profile from here. LinkedIn, all the LinkedIn possible things you can see here. ये जो work है, you can post a job, you can join LinkedIn Learning. That is the e-learning platform. LinkedIn is upcoming e-learning platform. You can see all the insights. कितने लोग, whoever is watching you, all the insights you can see. You can do the prospecting here. Finding lead is a prospecting. So you will apply filter. कौन सा कंपनी, कौन सा ग्रुप, कौन सा लोकेशंस, कौन सा डेजिग्नेशंस, कौन सी इंडस्ट्री, कौन सा फंक्शनल एरिया, एंड देन यू हैव द लिस्ट ऑफ द प्रोस्पेक्ट्स, and you can do one-to-one touch or one-to-one messaging, or you can run the advertisement. You can do prospecting here. So you can join groups as I asked you कि आपको जो आपने जो भी creation किया है, go and publish, share that creation in the group. So here you can go to the group, find the relevant group. For example, I'm providing website creation. Initially, I want to provide this help to all the digital marketers. So I can go to the group and identify the digital marketers group and join those group. And I will share this article saying that, okay, are you a digital marketer, even struggling for the leads? So this is the way, create your own personal brand website and increase your lead by 2 times or 5 times. So I can join that groups and I can share that link to how to create a personal brand website. So a professional, if you are looking for freelancers, you can go and find freelancers here. If you want to do the salary comparison, you can go to the salary comparisons. Talent solution exclusively for the HR consultant. If आज के डेट में if someone is looking for job, तो company is expecting your full profile on the LinkedIn. तो जो HR solution है, HR consultancy है, वो they are using this solution big time. All these are the paid thing. Sales solution again paid thing है. Prospecting and end-to-end sale. Prospecting से लेकर के conversion तक का सारा management आप यहाँ से कर सकते हैं. So post a job. If you have one posting is कि आप यहाँ पे जाकर के post करते हैं. One posting is यहाँ पे आप जाकर के job post करते हैं. I'm looking for this kind of people and this location, this salary. That is not a job posting. That is not a job posting. Job posting is कि where people can apply in one click. उनकी पूरी how to delete old LinkedIn profile. You can delete if you want to do anything with your old LinkedIn profile. You can go here and click on edit profile. Here view profile and setting and privacy. Go to that setting and privacy and you will have all the option related to your profile. आप अपने प्रोफाइल पे क्या कर सकते हैं वो सारा ऑप्शन आपको सेटिंग एंड प्राइवेसी में दिख जाएगा, राइट? And you have learning solution, marketing solution, post a job. You can create a company page. Here, if you want to create a company page, you can click on create company page and follow the process. So create a company page. You can do the advertisement. LinkedIn में ये जो sponsor ad चल रही है, let's suppose can I show you? This is the promoted ad. इस तरह का promoted ad चलाना है. This kind of promoted ad, you required a company page. LinkedIn पे promoted ad चलाने के लिए आपको company page की requirement है. So बिना कंपनी पेज के आप इस तरह का प्रोमोटेड एड नहीं चला सकते, राइट? So this is the basic of the LinkedIn, and there are so much of things on the LinkedIn, but due to the time constraint, I'm stopping here myself. And but at least one practical tips I have given you, which you can use for immediate lead generation.
Ma'am, in the article, like link to, you asked a link to the website like that. What is that snippet, ma'am? So many options.
Snippet means you are summarizing that the article is of 500 words, right? But you are giving a small snippet and that will stand out and that can summarize the entire. There is a regular content flow, regular text flow, running text. So if you want to break the attention and you are asking for the attention to your snippet. So snippet is a small summary of your entire text, right? So for example, in Google, when you search that, let's suppose Google में आप search करते हो lead generation or personal website website creation, right? So this is called search snippet. This is called ad snippet. जो ad में आ रही है, this is called ad snippet. ये जो आता है ना, इसको कहते हैं, this is called snippet. यहाँ पे ये सारी ad है, Google Ads हैं, और ये list snippet है. So these are the FAQ. This is called search snippet. So search snippet is entire page is summarized in these 2 lines.
Okay.
So this is called search snippet. In the same way, you are writing the article, 500-word articles. So people are in this flow. Now you are breaking the attention and giving something very focused way. So, okay, this is most important thing about the article. That is, you can say that structure. Sorry, this is snippet in case of LinkedIn article. In the same way, you can have a, that is the next level of SEO, when you structured snippet. So structured snippet in terms of SEO, we do the structured snippet part. If in SEO part, if I will time allow, I will show. Okay, so anything else? How many of you are going to do the article publishing today? LinkedIn पे article publish आज कितने लोग करेंगे? Okay, Darshan is asking for BuzzSumo used for. BuzzSumo used for finding the popular content on the social media. BuzzSumo, you can find the most popular content on social media, on any topic. So in your industry, in your competition, in your topic, what is buzzing? आपका टॉपिक हेल्थ है और डाइट है और वेट लॉस है और माइंडफुलनेस है और लीड जनरेशन है और सिल्क साड़ी है. You can just write those words, click on search, and you will find the top article, and you can see the how popular it is on the social media. So anything between 1,000 or 500 shares, that means the significant popular. 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 shares ऐसे नहीं मिल जाते. All right. So yes, nice. Thank you so much, Rakesh. And Rakesh sir, Simple is also going to try. So fine. So once you will share that, once you will publish the article on the LinkedIn, you can share it in the Facebook group. I will give an assignment on the Facebook group. You have to share that not only on the LinkedIn, you can do the same thing on the Facebook. You can do the same thing on the Quora. You can do the same thing on Medium, on Tumblr. So wherever you are finding any platform where you can publish the content and you feel that कि उस platform पे आपके target audience बहुत active है. LinkedIn और Facebook एक ऐसा platform है जहाँ पे हर तरह के target audience आपको मिल जाते हैं. It doesn't matter आप किसको खोज रहे हैं. The population is so dense, so high कि you are going to find professional, non-professional, housewives, working, non-working, हर तरह के audience आपको मिल जाएंगे. Right? So like Hub Pages and BuzzSumo, what are the other sites for the content? There are so many sites where you can identify the content. I might have shared the Answer the Public or Answer the Public. You can go for the Answer the Public. You can go for the this HubSpot blog title generator. They will give you the popular topic for the blogs. Then you can go for the Buffer. Buffer also give you a little bit of ideas. Hootsuite also in the social, they provide the social media tools, but as a lead magnet, they give you a lot of content idea. So Tumblr is for the blog publishing. You can publish this kind of blog on the Tumblr. We use जो टेक्निक मैंने अभी लीड जनरेशन के लिए बताया है, वही टेक्निक हम लोग बैकलिंक जनरेशन, एसईओ के केस में बैकलिंक जनरेशन के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे अभी हमने 2 लिंक दिया है. एक लिंक किसको दिया? जो कंटेंट क्रिएट किया था उसको, और दूसरा लिंक अपने लीड जनरेशन पेज को. अगर बैकलिंक्स क्रिएट करना है, अपनी वेबसाइट का एसईओ रैंकिंग बढ़ाना है, यू कैन गो एंड फाइंड 20 blog publishing platform, Tumblr, WordPress, Hub Pages, LiveJournal, Medium, इस तरह के 20 blog publishing platform आप निकाल लो. Go and create the free blog there. वहाँ पे free blog create कर लो. Publish the content there. And उसमें क्या करेंगे कि एक ब्लॉग को दूसरे ब्लॉग से लिंक कर देंगे, एक ब्लॉग से अपनी मेन वेबसाइट को लिंक दे देंगे, और उसी ब्लॉग से कंटेंट क्रिएटर को लिंक दे देंगे. तो हर ब्लॉग से 3 लिंक जाएगी. एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर को, दूसरा किसी दूसरे हमारे ही किसी दूसरे ब्लॉग को, और तीसरा हमारी मेन वेबसाइट को। तो अगर 20 जगह आपने ये क्रिएट किया तो 20 बैकलिंक हो गई हमारी मेन वेबसाइट पे, राइट? और यू आर क्रिएटिंग द डुप्लीकेट कंटेंट, बट यू आर नॉट क्रिएटिंग द डुप्लीकेट कंटेंट ऑन योर वेबसाइट, यू आर क्रिएटिंग द डुप्लीकेट कंटेंट सम अदर ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म। सो उसका कोई भी हार्म आपकी वेबसाइट पे नहीं आएगा। And all these 20 most popular blogging platforms are very authoritative, very popular. So वहां से जो backlinks होगा उससे आपकी वेबसाइट की SEO में रैंकिंग ऐसे मतलब बिल्कुल एक महीने में आपकी रैंकिंग बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी। So you can use the same technique for the SEO ranking as well, right? Every site asks for the login using Facebook or Google. Is it safe? You can use it, or you can, I prefer to use it using my personal email ID rather than using it from Facebook and Google to be a safer, to be in the safer side. Because you are giving authority, उस वेबसाइट आप गूगल को अथॉरिटी दे रहे हैं कि आपके बिहाफ में वो गूगल का यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड यूज करके लॉगिन कर लें। तो यस, अगर पॉपुलर है, रिलायबल है, ब्रांडेड कंपनी है तो वेल एंड गुड, बट ए न्यू वेबसाइट है, यू कैन नॉट रिलाई ऑन दैट, सो आई प्रेफर टू यूज योर ओन यूजर आईडी एंड पासवर्ड सो दैट यू आर इन द कंट्रोल, राइट? सो कैन वी कंक्लूड फॉर टुडे? आज के लिए give name list of the search all supported website. Are you asking for the blogging platform? Are you asking for the blogging platform? Yes, you can simply go to the blogging. Blogger पे भी आप कर सकते हैं। List of most popular blogging platform, blogging website in 2021. Otherwise you can go to the Noem पे भी आपको ब्लॉगिंग के सारे प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाएंगे। All these are the WordPress पे बना सकते हैं, Wix पे, all these are the Blogger, Tumblr, Medium, you can go and find that. यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हो। Apart from that you can go to the Noem में क्या है, ये वेरीफाइड है, they keep verifying, they keep updating their list, और वो जो आउटडेटेड हो गया उनको हटा करके वहाँ की लिस्ट ज़्यादा अप टू डेट होती है। तो Noem पे भी जाकर के ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म की लिस्ट ले सकते हैं। यू कैन गो टू दी नेटवर्क, Noem पे जाएंगे, नेटवर्क पे जाएंगे, एंड हियर यू कैन सी दी ब्लॉगिंग, all these are the blogging platform. Can you see that? 1 2 3 4, I cannot count it, but all these are the blogging platforms. So you can, what you can do, ये सारे ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाओ, फ्री अकाउंट बनाओ, कंटेंट कॉपी करो, मोस्ट पॉपुलर कंटेंट, क्वालिटी कंटेंट, प्रूवन कंटेंट, उस कॉपी कंटेंट को थोड़ा यूनिक टच देके इन जगह पे पब्लिश करो, और जो भी कंटेंट पब्लिश कर रहे हो उससे अपनी वेबसाइट को लिंक दे दो, कंटेंट क्रिएटर को लिंक दे दो, अपने ही किसी दूसरे ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म को लिंक दे दो, एंड दैट वे that this is called link wheel. We create this a link wheel. So you can create a link wheel, and that way you are creating followers and popularity and authority on this platform. Yes, एक तो सारे ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप अपनी अथॉरिटी बना रहे हो, दूसरा गूगल में कोई सर्च करेगा तो आपकी वेबसाइट तो आएगी ही आएगी। ये सारे ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जो है गूगल में, उनकी जब कोई आपके ब्रांड से सर्च करेगा तो आपके ब्रांड के नाम से आपने जितने ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे पब्लिश किया हुआ है वो सारे कंटेंट गूगल के रिजल्ट में आने लगेंगे। तो जस्ट इमेजिन आपका ब्रांड वैल्यू कितना होगा। चौथा कि जितने बैकलिंक्स आपको वेबसाइट से मिले हैं उससे आपकी गूगल की रैंकिंग बहुत बेटर होगी। So there are so many other advantages, yes, but these are the major advantages you can see. This is the blogging platform list. Now done for the day. Okay, so now share one word about this session. How you are feeling? What is, if you have to share one word about the session, you can just share that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Simply.
Ma'am, I want to share something.
Yes. Who is that?
Ma'am, Sonam.
Yes. Okay, Sonam, before Sonam, I have a commitment for the Kisan. So we are taking 5 minutes time. Kisan, unmute yourself. Kisan is here in the community, and I have seen that he has contributed a lot as a lead, contributed a lot about the lead magnet and lead generation and paid advertisement, and he is looking for good opportunity to share his skills and experience. He is going to share about himself in 2 minutes, in 5 minutes, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Yes, Kishan.
I'm audible, ma'am.
Yes, you are audible.
So, thank you, ma'am, for giving me such opportunity to present myself. And thank you all for listening me for 5 minutes about myself. Basically, I am into the mindfulness, as ma'am said, mindfulness as lesser opportunities. And I present myself in other group in the morning at 6 o'clock, conducting meditation. As well, I talk about so many things on maturity, comparison, awareness, consciousness, your treasures, even on Upanishad and intelligence. And I describe multiple intelligence on that group also. And whereby you can find your intelligence to do the things. Normally we do things in general way, but if you can find your intelligence in proper way, then you can do your things in a proper way, whatever your intelligence applied for. So that is the main concept in that mindfulness thing. And you get on doing meditation for 5 minutes every day, you get so many benefits, like you can increase your intelligence, you can have your consciousness, awareness, up to awakening, alertness, maturity, and you stop comparing, and you tend to have lacking of state of lacking that goes up, insufficiency goes up,
So
and you
Kishan,
get freedom.
one second. Are you presenting yourself as a mindfulness coach, or you want opportunity in the digital media? Do you want?
Yeah, I'm coming to that also, ma'am. The first thing is this is for so this is a basic thing of mindfulness that as a coach I want to grow. And if anybody is willing to go for, and I believe in balancing of the things, like if you go one-to-one with your intelligence or your activity with mindfulness, that will definitely help you. So that is the main thing. And then the part of digital marketing stuff, I narrowed down to my lead generation as I present myself in the WhatsApp group in our with notes, and also I have of my own WhatsApp classes and WhatsApp groups. I present myself with lead generation as well, and I put notes on the lead generation. And basically, I started with page marketing, so I have narrowed down to WhatsApp. So all that stuff, we have a lot of things on digital marketing front. So you have to narrow down to something like the way I narrowed down to WhatsApp, and then I fetch lead registration there, and lead capture, lead magnet, everything is there on my WhatsApp. And then you find a very good niche also, whatever your thing to be done, like you can get the thing done the way I do the things, like I can give you some knowledge on that also, and then you can do the things as per your requirement on lead generation front, because one has to narrow down on lead and marketing front to capture the leads, because it is a very vast field. So if you can narrow down to some extent on lead generation, that will definitely help you, because you need around 5,000 customers on your niche. So you'll get on WhatsApp itself, because every individual is on WhatsApp nowadays. So I narrow down to WhatsApp, and then the lead generation and lead magnet too. And I do landing pages, and beautiful landing pages, so that can capture your leads on InstaMojo. So if you are on InstaMojo, you can have a landing page there, and there you can put your payment option also. So you can describe yourself the better way on a landing page there, and whoever is interested, they can come to your landing page there, and you can advertise your landing page on Facebook ads as well. So Facebook ads is the main medium to advertise
Okay,
yourself.
Kisan, here I would like to share one thing. So we have got a lot of, I think, how many of you have got an idea that what Kisan can do for you? Any of you have got the idea that what Kisan can do for you? He can help you in generating the lead, and he can help you in being more mindful and more efficient, more intelligent using meditation. So his two offering is meditation and lead generation. Any of you are interested in any of these two things, so either in the mindfulness or meditation, how you can get started with the meditation, or how you can do consistent and daily practice on the meditation, I request to connect Kisan directly in group. Kisan has number, so you can connect Kisan directly. And if any of you want any kind of help from the Kisan related to the lead generation, you can also connect with the Kisan. Is that fine, Kisan? This is what,
ma'am.
yes.
That is
So,
what, yeah. That.
Yes, and thank you for sharing your input. I really want to give you this opportunity because you are the one who is consistently responding to all the assignments and all the activities I'm posting on the Facebook.
Yeah.
So this is my gift. This is my way of acknowledging your
Thank you.
contribution
Thank
in the
you.
group.
Thank
So nice.
My
Thank
first
you.
thing is action, action, action.
Right. Action is going to
That-
give you the result.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
whatever you have shared about this about yourself in front of 20 plus people, this is the result of your action, because you
Yeah.
have contributed on the Facebook group without fail. Right.
And if given chances on this platform, I'm ready to share my things. That's
Yes, sure. In future, we will find the opportunity that everyone can share that. Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So
Thanks
in
a
the
lot.
same way, I will keep connecting with more people and give. You will have the opportunity to interact with the other community member. Nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So can we conclude the session for the day? आज के session, because it's getting a little bit late, because you guys have to go and catch with the other aspect. Sonal, we will talk tomorrow. Is that fine? Because we are exceeding the time limit, and so many, I have next session to go for.
Just provide a recording for the day.
Yes, I will provide the recording for the day, and as well as here I will share the today's. I will share the today's session. Like you can share your learning or LinkedIn article.
Yeah.
Today in Facebook you have the assignment कि आपको आज के सेशन से लर्निंग शेयर करनी है, और LinkedIn पे अगर आपने आर्टिकल पब्लिश किया है तो वो आर्टिकल शेयर करना है. Nice. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for the day. And from tomorrow onwards, I will share a Google form in which you can ask your questions, and I will give you opportunity to share yourself with the group, or I will answer your questions one by one. Nice. Thank you. Bye. Take care and have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks a lot.